Today's gonna be some kind of day. I can already tell. I'm in the haul truck, running to Clarksville. Go pick up the 140 and bring it back to town. And I gotta go get in the dump truck and go run a couple loads over to Atkins, which is just the next town over. And it's raining right now, and once that front moves through at 12:15, it's gonna flash freeze. I'm gonna bet 12:15 it's not gonna be rain, it's gonna be snow. And then everything will freeze up by then. So it's like 9:48 right now, and I'm hoping to get out to Clarksville and back, which is about 40 minutes away, and trying by noon. So then at least I'll be in town when I go get the dump truck, and we'll see how icy it gets. But I don't know, I'm used to this. Lived in Nebraska for a long time, probably about 10 years total. And then I've been trucking, my whole life. I'm used to being on snow, I'm used to being in freezes. But what I'm worried about is people here in Arkansas are not. And, on the internet, Facebook and stuff, people are already freaking out and going, oh my God, it's gonna be devastating. And well, it's just, you don't know how to drive it and stay home. So like in my 2-wheel drive pickup truck or here in the haul truck, I'm usually okay, I'm used to it. I've done it forever. It's not that big of a deal. And if it gets real bad, you just kind of stop for a little while, let the salt guys come in, salt up the roads or put brine on it or something. Well, Arkansas doesn't have any of that stuff. They have salt trucks, but they're mostly sand with a little bit of salt in it. I don't think they use brine here at all. So the roads are never really that great taken care of. The city of Russellville itself definitely doesn't take care of the roads that well. They just don't have the money and the manpower and the equipment and stuff. It doesn't happen a lot here, so they don't want to invest a couple $1 million into doing all that. So it's just kind of one of those things that people aren't used to it. The roads aren't prepped. Usually not good. So I want to hustle through all this and try and be done and either go back home or just be able to be in my truck when all that starts to happen, and then I'll probably end up being okay. But if they took care of the roads halfway decent here, hell, you'd be able to work all day, never even know it. Everything would be sanded, salted, sprayed with the icer, and nothing would be that big of a deal. But with rain coming first and washing salt and then having it freeze, they got to be actually putting brine down during the flash freeze for it to really work real well. So trying to stay optimistic. We'll just see how it goes. 16 miles from Clarksville now. So I guess we'll just have to see if it'll be all right or not. I never know what to think. Well, it just started to rain. Should flash freeze in not too much longer. Russellville's 42 though, so I think we got a little bit longer until the temperature's actually gonna get down. I'm looking at the radar right now. Hey, my light's still on. Funny how that happens all the time. But I just got back to the yard here. Peterbilt's giving me all kinds of little issues. It's very annoying. But I got the Doosan 140 on the low boy. Now I'm gonna go run over and go get in the dump truck and go get to hauling some gravel before it gets too nasty out. It's pretty warm, so I think I'll be all right for an hour or two, I'm sure. Just gotta get the okay to go do it, and then know where to put it and all that kind of stuff. I'm out of breath running around trying to figure everything out. Go as fast as I can, get all the bad weather. But the middle in Arkansas, and it is snowing. And it's gotten cold, so this is gonna be a fun day.
It's cold.
It's blowing too.
Yeah, it is blowing me all over the road.
It's iced up yet?
No, not bad.
So we were winterizing this. Have you done the winterize yet? All right. So We're gonna winterize this so it don't freeze.
Shit, I guess we can while it's dumping.
Yeah. So yeah, fun times. Well, making my way home, and the roads are terrible. I'm in a 2-wheel drive truck and I'm sliding around really good. I'm watching everyone else slide around. Still have brakes, so still enough grab to be able to stop, but taking off is quite challenging. So it's gone bad. Look at motorcycle. That guy's nuts. I wonder if he rode it to work and then got caught in it. Man, there's a big bend he's about to go around, and I was watching a truck just slide around on it real bad. But man, the weather's bad. So me and Ashley are now gonna go to Walmart, hoping it's not gonna be very busy, because it's gonna be really busy tomorrow because they close at 6 for Christmas. So we're gonna go get everything that we need there, and then basically be home for the weekend. I'm sure I got stuff I'm gonna have to do tomorrow, and I'll come check on everything in the morning and all that kind of stuff. But for the most part, we're just gonna stay at home tomorrow and probably Saturday. But I want to talk about poor driving conditions in a town that is not even the slightest bit prepared for it. Either way, it'll be fun. There's that Walmart. It's only a basket full. Look at it. Ice. You think it's down to 10 degrees yet?
No.
You don't think so? Better hold on to the cart here.
Stop.
It is cold.
Yeah.
Ashley calls it bird cold.
We have a lot to carry upstairs.
You have a lot to carry upstairs.
We.
You have a lot to carry
I'm not carrying all
upstairs.
this crap.
Where are we even gonna put it in the truck?
In the back.
Back here?
Yes. Freezing cold.
Let me start the truck. It is cold. Ice apocalypse here in Russellville, Arkansas, in a place that's not used to getting it. But yes, it is very cold.
Hurry up.
She's freezing.